Hello there friends, I hope that you're doing well. So how to use this angle grinder if you want to cut a piece of metal. So this is the tool. So we have here a cutting disc. This can cut metal. So first we install this protection like this. With this angle, and we just tighten this this part here like this, so the protection doesn't really move. You need to just adjust it so it's sitting like this, and then you just try to see if it moves. Then we install this one, this piece like this. It has this special gap, as you see. It has these two lines that go here. Then you insert the disc like this, and then the last part, this one, you can just install it like this. You tighten it by hand, and then you have this tool in the package that can be used to tighten the disc. So by pressing on the back this button here, you can actually tighten it. You press here and you tighten. So it's not that easy, but it works. You don't need extra keys, and you need to tighten it quite well. Something like this. Okay. So this is how you use the metal disc with this angle grinder. So next I'm going to cut a piece of metal so you can see how it works. Okay, so I'm going to cut this piece of metal that it's staying in the wall. Never forget to use protection glasses and gloves like this. Okay, and let's see how it goes. So I need to cut like this. So we install this handle on this side, and to activate the grinder we press at the same time this button and this one. You need to be careful because it will make some sparks. Okay, so as you can see, the metal was cut. The only problem is that in this case, if I want to cut it directly from the wall, I need to remove the protection. In some cases it's okay to use it, but I would not advise to remove the protection. I would just cut something that allows me to leave the protection on. Okay, so this is how you can use this angle grinder. This was a test. I hope that you found it useful.